Testing 1 2 1 2. It's been a while. I don't even know if I know how to use everything. Okay, come on, water bottle. We don't need to see you. Okay. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Yasha and this is Makeup a Difference. I'm not even gonna say it, but I'm tempted to. But I'm back again with another video after 8 months. Girl! So that's a story for another video, but we're back today and I'm fresh faced, no makeup today. It's all about skincare, honey. Okay, so today on this video we're going to be talking about and showing you practically how to dermaplan, and this is so good for your skin. And I'm gonna share with you everything, the do's and the don'ts, what I've learned. Disclaimer, I'm not a skin specialist, but I've seen this work for my skin. So if you're not sure, just watch, take some notes. If you're not sure, go to a professional, right? But I'm gonna show you, if you are like me, ready to try anything to get that good skin, because you need to know this. For you to have flawless makeup, you gotta have good skin. You can't have spots and all this kind of stuff on your skin and expect a flawless makeup application. So this video we're talking about dermaplaning, and let's get into it without further ado. Okay, so I thought let me zoom you in so we can get a really good view of the face. Okay, so I'm going to show you what the products that I'll use. So for my shaver, it's actually my husband's, but he's not even used it. I'm the only one who's been using it. It's this right here. I got this on Amazon. It's called Maca. It's a professional barber blade, but then you have to buy separate blades for it, and it basically looks like this. So obviously when I show you, it's like, but it's sharp. So I've tried the, this small ones, the brow shaver. I'm gonna put it right here so you can see it. That brow shaver, I started that, but I thought it wasn't sharp enough because I feel like I wanted to get deep. So starting off, I am just going to cleanse my skin using the micellar cleansing water from Garnier Skin Care. You might be thinking, what is dermaplaning? Dermaplaning is a skin treatment where you use an exfoliation blade or any other blades like an eyebrow blade if you're a beginner to remove any dead skin cells. Most people think it is shaving your face and removing any peachy fuzz hair on your face, but it's really more than that. It is also going to exfoliate your skin and remove any dead skin cells and leaves your face super smooth and radiant. It gives this youthful glow, and when you apply makeup, it will come out so beautifully as well. And it's also been proven that it removes deep scarring of acne. I'm not a skin specialist, but I would recommend doing this at least once every 2 weeks. Yeah, so as you can see, there's already a little bit of hair. Just by looking at me without having touched my face with that blade, you wouldn't have noticed that there is actually peachy fuzz hair on my skin. And it's more than just the peachy fuzz, it's also removing this dirt also coming out my skin, and I feel like it's those dead skin cells that would be just sitting on top of your skin, that when you actually shave your face, it removes that layer and it makes your pores breathe even more. So I find this very beneficial to do. So it's good to try out for yourself and look up, have a search as well. So here are the benefits of dermaplaning. Your skin is rejuvenated, fewer fine line wrinkles, no more peach fuzz when you're applying makeup, more effective actually when you do it at home, because it's something you can do at home. But if you like that spa treatment feel, it's always good to go to a professional. And if you're not confident enough, and your makeup will glide on so smoothly and will look so flawless, and you tend to use less makeup, especially when it comes to foundation, because you are not just piling on peach fuzz and dead skin, and your pores are cleaner and smaller, and it's actually very beneficial for people who suffer with acne. So that's one of the benefits when it comes to dermaplaning. You might also want to know if there's any side effects or risks to dermaplaning, which there is. One of them is I had to discover my own, especially using the blade that I'm using now. If it's too sharp, you can accidentally cut yourself. Second, you'll be left, especially if you're lighter skin, you'll be left with like redness on your skin, but that will go in over time. And also you could have patchy skin pigment. It could also, just depending on your skin type, this is where it's most important, you could have itchiness and irritation. You can also have whiteheads a day after 2. I've had they look like rushes after I did my dermaplaning, but that was the very first beginnings. So I know when I do this, I need to make sure I apply a lot of moisturizer, and I also put my oil, my rose hip oil, that helps to get rid of any little rushes and stuff. So that's one of the side effects that I know, but it's more beneficial than side effects. Everything there's a side. Just to show you the amount of hair that came out of my face and the dead skin. So on this, it's not the same cotton pad, it's actually 3 different cotton pads and also a wipe. So because I hadn't done this in a while, I think probably 2 months, so I really had a lot of peach fuzzy hair and dead skin. So yeah, so I have finished my dermaplaning, and here's my skin. I've not even applied any cream yet, any hyaluronic acid or anything. It's just bare and it's glowing. It looks fresh and rejuvenated, and I absolutely love it. Let's get into the skincare part so you can see. So I first go in with my toner and rose water, then I go in with my hyaluronic acid. Can you see how my skin is just glowing without anything? Ooh. Please tell me you don't want to try this yourself. So I'll just apply that on my skin. And then I go in with my normal natural moisturization from The Ordinary. This is so good, you know I use this all the time. And yeah, that's it. We moisturize our skin, make sure we're super hydrated in that skin, because we've just taken a layer out of our skin, so we need to make sure it's moisturized and you know it doesn't dry out, don't get irritation or anything like that. So that's it, guys. That's my dermaplaning, explaining what it is, and I'm sure if you already know, you already know. And also just an skincare routine that you probably already know. Just glowing. I'm sorry, it's not even about the products, but as soon as I just start shaving my face, so good. Yeah, I really hope this video helped. And make sure you even think or wanting to research more about dermaplaning or shaving your face. But yeah, I just feel good. I feel like as a layer has been removed from my skin, and when I put makeup on tomorrow, it's just gonna be so flawless, and you can even tell on the pictures you don't even need to edit much because it's so smooth. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.